Hey everyone, we'd like to take a moment to answer some frequently asked questions about the $10 social media bonus. The first question is, when can I get the $10 social media bonus? It takes up to 24 hours to get, so please wait patiently while it processes. The second question is how to use the $10 social media bonus. You can use it to trade all the linear contracts except BTC/USD. Question 3 is how to withdraw the bonus. Trading bonuses cannot be withdrawn. Only profits earned by the bonus can be withdrawn. So you need to use your social media bonus on linear contract trading. Question number 4, how to convert crypto to fiat. You can use our OCT service to convert crypto to USD. If you want to convert to another fiat, you will need to withdraw to another platform. We hope to add more fiat conversion options in the future.